is Sana. Welcome to the channel. And today, I'm going to show you what this car is capable of behind me. This is the Toyota Fortuner 08 3.0 D4D. Sounds very fancy and powerful, right? Because it is. It's not a V8 surprisingly, but it screams like one, goes like one. And it even has this nice roof scoop. Well, not a roof scoop, but like bonnet scoop for like air intakes and flow. So, it's an off-road vehicle. It's so capable of everything. I know that for a fact. So, where else to come to try out the off-roading? We're at the beach. Oh, proper sand. So, come along. Let's take it out on the sand. Let's see what this thing is capable of. I don't know if we're going to get stuck, if we're going to make it back. We're about to find out. Let's go. So, it's just a pretty simple interior, you know. It's not all about the fancy nowadays stuff. This is raw. Just power, you and the sand. However, so we're gonna select the gear, gonna put it to drive. Important key point because we are going on the sand. We're gonna select the 4-wheel option. If I show you right here, give it the mark that it has been engaged 4-wheel drive. So if I just show you quickly, you probably cannot see it, but the light is there. And now, you ready, boy?
Yeah.
Let's do this.
Let's do this.
I'm just gonna back up, you know, just to give myself some time to like get on the sand. Let's go. Easy. With ease. Show them the front. We're on the beach. We are driving on the sand. Oh. And that's the sea basically. See? It is capable of off-roading. Okay, let's see what this thing is capable of. Oh shit! Yo, this is so fun! The sand is literally wet. I can feel it because it's throwing me everywhere. Holy shit! You hear that scream? It screams like a V8. Oh shit, we just went airborne. I can't stop laughing. Why didn't I just do this sooner? And so, why? Look, we're just literally going airborne every jump. Yo, this is amazing. Look, it's a one-way just to, you know, view around, nice nature. Hello, nice restaurant. Hello, hi. Look, people just sunbathing on the beach. Jeez. This is power. Wow. I cannot believe it, but I'm already on the other side.
Yeah.
This is that Burusubi area, isn't it? Okay, let's turn around. See? 4-wheel drive. Whoa. You know, it's actually drifting. Okay, hold on. The sand is straight. Okay, let's try and get on in a little bit sand. Let's see how that goes, yeah? Okay. Look forward, yep, ready? Yep, it's playing funny, yep. Yep. Okay, this is a big one. Yep. We're sliding everywhere. Why didn't I try this earlier? Oh shit. Okay, look. When I slam on the brakes, it literally slides because obviously we're on sand. Wait, did we come this far?
No.
Wait, what? We covered so much. Okay, fine. Okay, let me go more next to the water. Look, beautiful beach, look. Let me just stop for a moment. Let me just stop. You know, why not? Hey, come to the beach. See the beach. Say hello to the beach. Say hello to the water. Alas, you go. Screams. I like when you floor it, the whole bonnet just literally lifts off like it's about to take off, which is pretty nice feature. See? Easy. Very, very simple. these are our tire marks. You can see how he was throwing us.
Yeah, yeah. And here, this is golden.
Yes, that's that other hotel, Golden. And then you have Lemon Creek as well.
Yeah.
Where we just came down from. Okay, should we go forward?
Yeah, if you want.
Okay, let's go forward. My 4-wheel is on. Just click. I can tell though it's like requiring so much power, like it's screaming. I mean, this car normally screams, to be honest with you. This is just for fun, you know? I could have shown you how it drives on the road, but I feel like taking it off-roading kind of on the beach would be better. By the way, what you're not seeing is that everyone that's sitting on the beach is the way they're looking at us. They must be thinking, who is these mad two people? Look, we're back home basically, well, from where we started. Let me see what it's capable of. Full send it. Okay. This is amazing. We got it perfectly, right?
No, very nice.
Like I said. Okay, let me go back up. Where did we start? Here. Where's the entrance?
Over there.
Here?
No.
No, it's
behind.
here. It's here. It's here.
Okay, yeah.
Come on. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that short clip. If you like it, subscribe and like this video. Comment below if you want to see more. We can do more fun stuff, right? So cheerio. From now on, I'll see you soon.